Hey guys, this is a really quick, short overview of what this article review paragraph is. I wanted to just go over it really quick with you guys. You have four different things that I've pushed out to you. You can access the screen grab through Upfront, or you have a PDF of the document. You have your handout, and then you have this slideshow that kind of takes you through how to do the article review paragraph. I'm just going to pull up the document right now so that I can go through it with you, and then I'll go back to the slideshow in just a second. What I want to show you is when you go through the article, it's asking you to read through the article. It's asking you to kind of take some notes on the front of this page. And then on the back of this page, you're going to take your notes and you're going to write a short paragraph. It's 5 to 6 sentences. Most of the paragraphs that we've written in Media Mondays and things like that, I just ask you to kind of talk about what you have read. An article review follows a very specific pattern. Each sentence, if you notice, it says what to do. Like, so sentence 1 should be background information. Sentence 2 should be developing the argument. Sentence 3 talks about what the author is trying to do and how. And so that's why you're taking these specific notes that you are taking in these boxes, okay? When it asks you about the second sentence, the third sentence, the fourth sentence, asking about what you are writing in your second and third and fourth. It's not asking about the second and third and fourth sentence in the article. It's asking about taking specific notes so that you can put those things in your second and third sentence. And so then I'm going to pop back here really quick and I'm going to look at this article review slideshow. This kind of walks you through what it is, how to do it, and then it shows you like these are the things that go into the first sentence, and it gives you a sample. It's got these blank slides because when we go over it in the classroom, then we like write it on the board together. So just ignore those blank slides. But then here again, like this is what goes into sentence 2. Here is a sample. And then this is what goes into sentence 3. Here's a sample. Sentence 3 and 4 can go together. And if you look at them, sentence 4 talks about the intended audience and how it impacts them. Sentence 3 talks about the author's purpose and goal and what are they trying to do, which kind of goes with the audience. What are they trying to do for the audience? So those two sentences really can go together if you want them to. They can be two different sentences or they can go together. And so you can see that my sample sentence, I put those two things together. And then sentence 5, you're thinking bigger than just your target audience. You're thinking outside of the audience. You've already talked about the audience. Now you want to think bigger. You want to think about the magnitude or the significance of what the author is addressing, kind of that outside issue, the so what, the who cares. How is it bigger than just that particular audience? Why is it a bigger issue? And then finally, sentence 6, or the very last sentence, you kind of wrap it back up. You think about how did they achieve the point that they were trying to get to? And then again, what was that initial point? What was that claim, that argument, that thesis, that thing that they were trying to do? So those are the specific sentences that you're trying to do. It's not just write about the article. It's very specific sentences that you are supposed to be writing. So again, when you look at your handout, these boxes are where you kind of put the notes that help you get to that point. And then you can kind of check them off if you want to. But this box is where you write those 5 or 6 sentences. So if it's not doing the things that you are supposed to do, if you can't check off that you have done those specific sentences, you are not going to get the points for writing an article review paragraph. If you just write some stuff, you will not get the credit for doing the article review paragraph. It's a very specific thing. So make sure that you are doing the thing that you are supposed to. All right, thanks.